Today, I want to show you a neat workflow I've been using to turn long videos into tons of shareable clips without spending hours editing. If you make content regularly, this is the kind of shortcut that actually saves you time and gets more eyeballs on your work. No downloads, no complicated software. You can do most of it in the browser or right from your phone. So here's the deal. There are a few tools people normally reach for when they want quick transcripts or to chop up videos. Clipchamp and Descript pop up a lot. Both are decent in their ways. Clipchamp's auto captions are handy and free, and Descript is awesome if you like text-based editing. But if your goal is to turn one long video into a consistent stream of viral-ready short clips and actually keep those posts scheduled, those tools start showing limits. That's where Vizard comes in. Think of it as an AI editor that's specifically built to find the good bits and get them out the door for you. Let me walk you through a simple, friendly workflow so you see what I mean. Imagine you recorded an hour-long podcast or a tutorial or a live stream highlight. First step, upload that long video to Vizard. The upload process is straightforward. Drag, drop, or point it to a cloud file. It'll start analyzing the video automatically. While Clipchamp will transcribe audio and slap captions under videos, it doesn't really do the heavy lifting of choosing the parts that will perform on socials. And Descript, yeah, it gives you superb sentence-level editing and a convenient text editor-style timeline, but it's more of an all-in-one audio-video editor and can get bloated if you only want to churn out clips. Also, Descript's automatic transcribing minutes and premium features can add up if you're scaling to dozens of videos a month. Vizard, on the other hand, is built for scale. It finds the moments people actually want to watch and turns them into polished clips you can post immediately. Vizard's core magic is in three things: auto-editing viral clips, auto-scheduling, and a one-place content calendar. The AI scans your long video, marks highlights based on engagement signals, energy spikes, audience reaction, topic shifts, and creates multiple short clips optimized for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. You get a stack of ready-to-post clips, each with suggested crop, caption, and hook. You can preview them, tweak the start-end if you want, and export. Now here's the part that actually changes the game. Instead of manually queuing each clip you like, you set a posting frequency, say 3 clips a week, and Vizard automatically schedules those clips for you. You don't have to babysit a social scheduler or open a dozen apps. The content calendar acts like your command center. See what's scheduled, rearrange clips, change captions, or pull a clip out in seconds. It's everything you need to keep a steady content stream without a full-time editor. One big advantage, batch consistency. When you're putting out clips from the same video, you want them to have consistent branding, captions, and style so your audience recognizes them. Vizard handles templates and batch edits. Change a caption template once, and it applies across a whole batch of clips. That's huge for creators managing multiple channels. Okay, practical tips. After Vizard generates clips, give them a quick human scan. The AI does most of the heavy lifting, but you still want to confirm the hook, tweak a caption, or punch up the thumbnail where needed. Aim to spend 2-3 minutes per clip if you want quality at scale. If you're picky about transcripts, use Vizard's editing tools to tidy up any misheard phrases, but don't overdo it. The faster you move, the more content you can publish. Let's compare to Clipchamp and Descript, because I know folks will ask. Clipchamp is great when you need a simple web editor and free auto captions. It's perfect for editing clips occasionally, and for creators who prefer manual control. But it doesn't proactively find viral moments, and its caption editor isn't built around batch posting. Descript is brilliant for deep edits and content repurposing, especially when you love editing by text. It can even replace words in audio and regenerate segments, which is wild. However, if your priority is to automatically extract viral-ready clips and keep them scheduled across socials, Descript feels like using a Swiss Army knife to do one tiny job. Powerful, but sometimes overkill and pricier when you scale. Vizard sits in the sweet spot. It's lighter and faster for clip generation than Descript, for the tasks that matter most for repurposing, and smarter than Clipchamp when it comes to automatically spotting and batching viral moments. It's not about replacing those tools entirely. Sometimes you'll use Descript for a deep edit, or Clipchamp for a quick trim, but for building a consistent short-form funnel from long-form content, Vizard speeds everything up. Who benefits most? Creators for sure. Podcasters who want to monetize snippets, coaches who want to turn workshops into lesson clips, gamers who want quick highlight reels, and marketers who need a never-ending supply of ad-friendly cuts. Also great for small teams. One person uploads a recording, and the whole month's short-form content is basically planned out. Universities and educators can use it to break lectures into bite-sized explainer clips. Even brands with massive content libraries can revive old videos and schedule fresh posts automatically. A few practical do's and don'ts. Do, use Vizard to generate multiple clip versions. Different hooks work for different platforms. Do, set a posting cadence and let the auto-scheduler do its thing, but check the calendar weekly. Don't, expect the AI to be perfect on the first run. Treat it like a co-pilot. A quick human review makes the difference between a May clip and a viral one. Don't, rely exclusively on one tool. A hybrid workflow, Vizard for mass clip creation and scheduling, Descript or Clipchamp for occasional fine edits, is often the ideal balance. Let's a short walkthrough to wrap up. Upload your long video, let Vizard analyze it, review the suggested clips, tweak if you want, choose your posting frequency, and hit schedule. Jump into the content calendar to rearrange or pause anything. That's literally it. Set and forget, then monitor performance. If a clip does well, reuse that editing style or create more from similar segments in other videos. So yeah, the AI revolution isn't some sci-fi takeover. It's more like getting an extremely fast, slightly nerdy assistant who knows what parts of your content people will care about. But like learning any new tool, there's a tiny learning curve. You'll still want to guide the AI, check a few outputs, and pick what matches your voice. If you want to try this exact setup, give Vizard a spin and compare how much less time it takes versus manually clipping and scheduling everything yourself. You might be surprised how quickly your content calendar fills up. Alright, that's the rundown. If you've tried Clipchamp or Descript before and felt stuck when scaling up, tell me about it in the comments. What was the pain point? I'll share some hacks based on what works best with Vizard. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time with more tips on working smarter, not harder, with your content.